Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will learn very useful pronunciation of CIAL and TIAL. Whenever you see CIAL together in a word, we will make sound shall, shall, as in social. And same here, whenever you see TIAL together in a word, we will make sound shall, as in residential. But the question is, if they both have shall sound, when should we write CIAL or TIAL in a word when we hear shall sound? First, let's learn when should we write CIAL in a word when we hear shall sound. Now, listen carefully. If a word ends with vowel, vowel means A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels. So, if a word ends with any of these vowel plus shall sound, then we will write CIAL at the end of a word. In this word, you can see here we have vowel. So, this is vowel as I told you. Here is vowel. So if a word ends with vowel plus shall sound, then we will write CIAL as shall sound. Now let's practice CIAL shall sound in these examples. S, O, so, shall, social. A, of, I, official, official, official. A. In this word, I am reading long vowel A sound. A. Facial, facial. U. In this word, I am reading long vowel U sound. For letter U. The sound of U is A. But in this word, I am reading U as U sound. Long vowel U. As in U. Cru. Shall. Crucial. Crucial. B, e, be, I, ni, penny, I, facial, beneficial, beneficial. This is another diagraph. R, E, T, R, T, E, fi, R, T, fi, shall, artificial, artificial. U, su. As I told you, the sound of U is A. But in this word, I am reading long vowel U. As in S, U, su, p, R, per, super, f, I, fi, shall, superficial, superficial. Same here, we will read U sound. J, U, ju, d, I, d, judicial, judicial. Sack, sack, it, re, sacri, it, fi, sacrificial, sacrificial, sacrificial. Same here, we will read long vowel U sound for the letter U. S, U, su, p, per, super, I, fi, shall. Superficial, superficial, superficial. So these are all examples for CIAL shall sound. Always remember, if a word ends with vowel plus shall sound, then we will write CIAL shall sound. Now let's look TIAL spelling rule as shall sound. Now listen carefully. If a word ends with consonant plus shall sound, then we will write TIAL as shall sound. Let's learn TIAL as shall sound in these examples. E, re, z, I, z. The sound of S is s, s. But in this word, I am reading S as Z sound. You know why? Because this letter S is between two vowels. We have E and I. These are vowels. And S is in between two vowels. So we will read S as Z sound. Re, Z, D, E, den, residential, residential. So here you can see this is consonant. This is not a vowel. This is a consonant. Do you know what are the consonant? All the alphabet letters other than vowels are consonants. Residential. Next example is e, pre, z, e, z. Presi, de, den, show. Presidential. Presidential. In this word, I am also reading S as Z sound because this letter S is between two vowels. U. As I told you, the sound of U is A. But in this example, I am reading U as U sound, long vowel U. Pru, de, den, prudential, prudential, prudential. A, con, e, fi, confi, de, den, confidential, confidential, confidential. This word we will read as tricky word. Existential, existential, existential. In, you, flew, influ, n, influential, influential, influential. Re, fur, fur, n, referential, referential, referential. S, S, E, N, essential, essential, essential. E. In this word, we will read E as long vowel sound. E. Si, qua, e, quen. Sequential, sequential, sequential. And the last word is a, con, s, e, si, consi, qua, e, quen. Consequential, consequential, consequential. So these are all examples for TIAL as shell sound. Always remember, if a word ends with any of these vowel plus shell sound, then we will write CIAL as shell sound, as in social, official. And if a word ends with consonant plus shell sound, then we will write TIAL as shell sound, as in residential, presidential. Now watch this video again and try to remember this pronunciation. If this video is helpful for you, please like it and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more lessons update. Thank you.